Okay, this is the small website about wines that I mentioned in the previous video. It's actually a timeline related to the history of wines in Serbia, my home country. I will show you some pushpins here as well. Okay, they refer to these different points in the timeline. The timeline looks like this, and the pushpins show you what is the actual period on this timeline that a specific slide refers to. All right, let's embed this website into our website here. To do this, you click here, go to Embed Code, Embed HTML, and you copy the HTML code that actually tells you about what to embed. You find that HTML code here. You click Embed here, find this code here, copy it, and then you simply paste it here. Okay, update. Now, this website that I told you about should be shown here as embedded into this web page that we are developing here. I can, of course, expand it a bit, but my point here is not to expand it to cover the whole web page here. I'll just expand it a bit, and what I want you to see is how to put it in the box together with possibly yet another element, or maybe different other elements in plural. So let's put this website into this box here. All right. Now it is okay. It is attached to box. You see this? Okay. Now when I drop it, it is attached to this box. And this box actually can have some borders. That's one of the reasons why I wanted to attach it here. Let's change the design, customize, then border. All right, let's just go with the 1 pixel border width. All right, cool. Now, if you move the box, everything else which is inside the box moves with it. Maybe I can shrink it a bit like this, then move this a bit down, and add some text here in the box. Okay, text, small paragraph that I want to show what's actually in the box. Add a text, then this is the history in Serbia. All right. Then once this is done, I also want to move this small piece of text somewhere here into the box. Now it says attached to box. It is attached there. And if I move the entire box now, everything moves with it. That's why I wanted to show you this. You can actually add the entire websites not through this HTML code, but simply insert another website into the same page or into a different page.